To remove and install the ignition switch on your Razor Turbo R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Next, hold the ignition switch from behind the console, and carefully remove the switch nut. Then, push the switch back through the hole in the console, and pivot out to gain access to the connector. Continue by lifting the tab on the connector and pulling back to disconnect from the ignition switch. A flathead screwdriver can be used to aid in releasing the connector tab. Before continuing, ensure the seal on the connector is not damaged and is fully seated. Next, connect the connector to the ignition switch and ensure it is fully seated. Then, align the notch above the switch with the notch in the console. Continue by reinstalling the ignition switch through the console and securing with the retained nut. Then, torque the nut to specification. Finally, insert the key and verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.